Hey everyone, welcome back to the another video of this YouTube channel. So if you know, we already covered the C++ basic and array in our previous 16 lecture. So today we will be starting a brand new series where we will dive deep into data structure and algorithm, which is known as DSA. But don't worry, we will not going to skip over array. We will revisit them and build a solid foundation for more complex topic. So without wasting our time, so let's get started. So the question is what we will cover so far. Before we jump into DSA, let's quickly recap. In our previous series, we will master C++ basic, that is master C++ basic, like variables, loops, function, oops as well, that is object oriented programming. Okay, and went through array, covering their properties and basic operation like traversal, insertion and deletion. But now we will ready to take the next step and explore the powerful world of data structure and algorithm, or we can say DSA. So this is where things get interesting more than the language. So without wasting our time, let's get started the roadmap of DSA after array, or we will cover the array first, then starting the next lecture as well. But the first we will cover again array with all the clarity, all the properties, all the searching, sorting algorithm, everything from the scratch. Then linked list. Okay. Then we are moving towards stack and queue. After these, like it's third, then we will be jumping to hashing, or we can say hash, whatever you want to do. Then we will move to a tree, then graph, it's Gia, then sorting and searching algorithm. We will already cover this, but we will take again sorting and it's searching. Just a second, I will remove it. That is sorting and searching algorithm. Okay, after this we will moving to the competitive programming, that is DP, or we can say dynamic programming. Then heap, and then we will move toward the advanced topic in DSA. Advanced topic like what is mean by segment tree, like segment tree, disjoint set, disjoint set union. Okay, or we can say DSU, and which are crucial for handling complex problems like range query and connected component like. So the question is how we will learn DSA in C++. So how will we learn as this topic in C++, right? The question is from like many audience as well or student as well. So we will started by revisiting array, solidifying the basic, and then move through each data structure with detailed explanation and real world example. Throughout this series we will implement the data structure in C++, that is implement the data structure and algorithm in C++, analyze their time and space complexity. Then solve problem using this concept. Then solve problem using these concepts. Okay, so you will get hand-on experience applying what you learn. By the end of this series, just a second, I dropped my pen. Yeah, so by the end of this series, you will be ready to tackle even the toughest coding challenge. Okay, so the next question is practical application, like where we use these all this stuff, that is practical applications. Okay, every concept we cover has a real world application. So we are taking a three example of Q, graph, and the third one is DP, that is dynamic programming. So the example of Q is like we are taking examples. Okay, so Q can help in managing order in a food delivery system, that is managing orders in a food delivery system. Okay, the next, that is graph, can be used to calculate the shortest route, that is calculate the shortest routes in GPU, or we can say Google Map as well, Google Map or GPU navigation system, SYS. And the third one is, that is DP or dynamic programming. Okay, is useful in optimizing resource allocation, like in the K knapsack problem, like K knapsack. If you don't know what is meant by K knapsack problem, don't worry about this. I will tell you and teach you from the scratch. Okay, then we will explore this application and show you how DSA is used in real world software development. Okay, so alright, that's the roadmap. In this DSA series, we will cover everything from arrays to advanced topic. Advanced topic. Okay, if you have mastered the basic of C++ and array, you are already ahead. Now it's time to dive into the existing world of data structure and algorithm. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. So let's get started with our first lesson from the tomorrow onwards. That is the date, I hope so, it's 19th of January. Okay.